Hey, what's up everybody, it's Fire-Lite 457 and welcome to another new unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing my new my Gamewell MS-7. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, I scribbled out my info because I don't want people tracking me. So I just gotta put the camera down to open the top of this up, and I'll get back into you in just a moment. Alright, now let's pull out and see what's inside. I mean, I already know what's inside. I already told y'all what's in here. So, I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out so I can show y'all. And here it is, a Gamewell MS-7. It's a rebranded Fire-Lite BG12L. So let's go ahead and open the package. Here you got the pull station itself. And surprisingly, it takes an FCI key instead of a Gamewell key, which I already have one. So let's go ahead and just open this up like this. See, there's the inside of it. And here is the back of it. Alright. So, to activate it, just like the Fire-Lite BG12, where you just pull down like this. And then to reset it, you take your PK625 key. So, that's pretty much it for this video, everybody. And just to show, just got some instructions and some mounting screws. Which I'll probably just keep the mounting screws, just in case I need a spare. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you next time.